Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our BoxyCharm PR unboxing. I don't choose what's in here. The company just sends this to me in exchange for an honest review, and that's what I'm doing. Normally I would do my Battle of the Boxes PR versus the BoxyCharm that I pay for myself, but I don't know, sometimes that one, the one I buy myself, comes so late in the month that it just annoys me. So I'm gonna use that one and put it against my Ipsy for this month instead. And we're just gonna do this one separately. So again, this is PR, it's sent to me. It's not in exchange for anything like a positive review or anything like that. Just full disclosure, I'm honest and I appreciate them allowing me to be honest. Because if they didn't allow me to be honest, I wouldn't be doing this. All right, so the theme for this month is Fantasy, S-E-A. That's cute. This always comes in here to remind us to make sure you disclose that this is PR, which I just did. Oh, okay. This is from Beauty Bakery. This is their Better Not Bitter Flour Setting Powder. It's in the shade Oat Translucent. To blur your pores, prevent creasing or transferring, indulge in our flour setting powder. It has quickly become a global favorite. This retails for $24. Set your concealer, foundation for a long day's wear. Colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. I think this is probably something good to try in the summer because my skin's usually like combo dry, but in the summer it tends to be a little dewier. That looks like a pretty good shade. It's a nice amount, and this retails again for $24. And next we have this cleanser from Pharmacy. This is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser with Moringa and Papaya. An oil-free cleanser that draws out dirt. Oh, and it's a foaming cleanser, so it's not like balm or anything like that. Draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free, oh, see, I like that. It's soap-free, so that's gonna ensure that your face doesn't dry out. pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean your pores, surface residue, and while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. Creamy formula without overstripping, ideal for combo and oily skin. And I have a thing for Pharmacy's like packaging. I just think it's really pretty. Yeah, I'm in the middle of like 2 different cleansers right now, but I will never, it'll be a rare day that I get rid of a cleanser that I get in a box because you can always use cleanser at one point. All right, the next is from a brand I don't think I've ever heard of before. Okay. This is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. This retails for $50. Marine algae straight from the sea, skincare, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. So this is my issue with these kind of patches. They always move on me, like always. Even if I'm not talking or anything. They always feel like they're just like dripping down my face. So I think I'm actually gonna pass this on to a friend who loves eye patches. Like I turned her on to them because I had gotten a ton in boxes and I knew I wasn't gonna use them. So I was like, hey, if you wanna try these, and she ended up loving them. So I will pass these on to her. The next, I don't know. I get kind of annoyed when I see brands like this. This is Billion Dollar Brows Micro Brow Pencil. Like you can get this at TJ Maxx now. That just annoys me. Retails for $16 unless you get it at TJ Maxx for like $5. This is the shade Taupe. This is the micro pencil. When precision matters, this brows on point micro brow pencil will help you get the look you want. Precise brow pencil features a thin tip cover each and every hair with the color you want and create hair-like strokes for a natural looking finish. I'm actually just gonna open it to see kind of micro point we're looking at here. Yeah, I've gotten like a million of these in these boxes, whether it be Ipsy or BoxyCharm. Maybe I'll save it and like put it in a giveaway or something. Hopefully somebody's more excited about it than I am. And the last thing in here is, I think this is it's a hair mist. Outer, I think it is. 8-in-1 CBD Leave In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability, detangles, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. This retails for $30. Smells nice, and actually, I'm gonna feel the, oh, okay, it's pretty thin, actually, that's good. So, little known fact, so if you don't know, I'm a licensed hairstylist. I have found, especially for people with my kind of hair type, which is kind of on the thinner side and it's kind of fine, a leave-in conditioner, even though you leave it in, is going to be lighter in your hair than a rinse out conditioner, because the rinse out ones, even though we're rinsing them out, they have a tendency to latch on because it sinks on a little bit more when we're in the shower, so we tend to rinse less of it out, whereas leave-in conditioners are made to be lighter, so this will weigh your hair down less than a conditioner will in the shower. Does that make sense? So, but for me personally, when I use like a leave-in of any kind, I just do a super tiny amount, rub it really, really good. I even dab my hands like on a towel to get the excess off. And then I'll just kind of run it through mid-shaft to like the ends of my hair, because that's where most of the damage is and most of the protection you want to be down there, and it'll weigh your hair down less. Just fun fact. And yeah, that was it for that box. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not overly thrilled about it. I mean, to be completely honest, I would have removed these 3 in hopes of getting something else. So we'll see how my paid for box is. I can't even remember what I chose for this month, but I'm excited to try the flower, and you can always use a good face wash when the time comes that I need a face wash. Put this in my to try drawer, and yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on these 2 things, and I'll use this, but I mean, like I said, I'm a hairstylist, so I mean, I'm not lacking in anything. I don't need any of these things. I mean, who are we kidding? Most of us don't need any of our fucking makeup. It's not a necessity. But, Jesus Christmas, rambling on. It was an okay box. From 1 to 10, I give it like 4, 5, maybe. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you again for BoxyCharm for sending this to me, and let me know what you guys got in your BoxyCharms this month. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.